In today's hybrid work environment, efficiently scheduling and joining meetings is crucial. This video will guide you through connecting Zoom to Google Calendar using the official add-on, enabling auto-generated meeting links and streamlined workflows. We'll cover everything from installation to leveraging advanced features. First, navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Open your web browser and visit the Marketplace website. Once there, search for Zoom in the Marketplace search bar. Select the official Zoom add-on developed by Zoom Video Communications. Then click the Install button. If you're using a managed Google Workspace account, you may need approval from your administrator before the add-on can be installed. Finally, ensure your Zoom account is linked to the same email address as your Google account for proper integration. Looking ahead, expect increased AI-driven automation and a greater focus on privacy and security. By connecting Zoom to Google Calendar, you'll experience significant improvements in scheduling efficiency, reduced manual errors, and a more streamlined meeting experience, aligning with the demands of modern hybrid work environments. Productivity experts like Cal Newport emphasize that integrations like Zoom Calendar are game changers for knowledge workers.